Gold has four primary flaws, which is the reason gold is not the monetary system of the world right now. It has four primary flaws. One, it is not easily divisible. A gold coin is not easy to cut into two halves. It's not easily portable. Large amounts of gold get very heavy very quickly, and you can't take gold through an airport or a metal detector without potentially it getting confiscated. So it's just not a good fit that way. It's not easily verifiable. You typically need a $50,000 spectrometer to figure out if gold is gold, and even then you're not sure because it's hard to tell the purity and it's hard to tell, what else might be mixed in. And then gold cannot be moved electronically. There's no way to send gold to the other side of the world in a matter of minutes the way you can with Bitcoin. US dollar largely took the place of gold, and it took the place of gold because of those flaws in gold. So the US dollar has all sorts of problems, but it solved those four problems of gold. Otherwise, we'd still be on the gold standard. So the fiat currencies have two problems, and they're big ones. One is that restrictions apply, especially internationally, meaning you might think you own the money, but your money can be frozen at any time. Your money in fiat currency is only yours as long as you are in the good graces of the government that issued the currency. The second problem, which is by far the biggest problem, is that any money that is based only on a government whim can be printed by an unlimited amount. And that's been by far the biggest issue with fiat currencies, is they print unlimited amounts of money, and the money just loses value. So the US dollar has lost, since the creation of the Federal Reserve, which allowed the government to print money back in 1913. In the last 111 years, the dollar has lost between 97% and 99% of its purchasing power, meaning the dollar of the past, back from 1913, would have bought somewhere, vastly more. The dollar today buys only between 1% and 3% of what the dollar would buy you back in 1913. What does Bitcoin do about this? Well, remember, Bitcoin specifically has value because it's a better money. So, for example, it's more divisible than gold. It's easy to divide Bitcoin in up to 100 million units per coin. Bitcoin is more portable than gold. You can go anywhere in the world with Bitcoin. You can carry it easily. It's more verifiable than gold. Any Bitcoin software will tell you if something's real Bitcoin or not. It doesn't require a $50,000 computer. It's literally a free app. Any free app or any free website will verify whether you own the Bitcoin or not. And it can be moved electronically. So Bitcoin can be moved to the other side of the world instantly, which again is not possible with gold. Also, Bitcoin does not have the restrictions that fiat currencies have. So you can go through over any border with Bitcoin, and if you self-custody in something like BitKey, nobody in the world can freeze your account.